Yeah, man, Wagwan, welcome forward to the channel. Anybody don't know a real fish, it's a mash, the mash a real fish. You don't know? Queen is a nice lady, is a nice big woman and things still. I'm not telling no lie about Mono there with Queenie because she have a friend like Mash. You see it? Mash a real. May I say, it's a big fish that. Yeah, man, me and Queenie talk yesterday, so do we each up on live with woman and chat him wife and them. But me see what, and Mash come forward and I do the same thing, you see it? Yeah, man, me just can't stand the brother, man, still, you see it? Me not say enough, you say nothing about Queenie and them relationship and Dewey and them thing then, but him a overdo it now still, you see me? Him a real informer, and with that me can say, you don't know me a Jamaica, me not like informer, you see it? Yeah, man. So if you're new around here, just remember to like, comment, and share, and subscribe to the TV. I will go back on the ear where the boy are really, I say, you see it. Yeah, man. Forward now video, yeah, man.
Movie it, and when you watch the movie, you have one little petal where somebody has to pick up, and no matter how much people follow them for pick it up, and them alone can stretch and pick up that pedal. Everybody has their journey in life, and my journey can be your journey. Some people married and them live 4 years good and nice, 5 years, 10 years, by the 16 problem. Life is not every problem. Problem in every life. But tired. God no. Stop team up on me. You know my time I beg the man leave me alone. God no, I'm try. And then they look like me. No. If I'm gonna get my car and I hear him talk to me, I say blood clot, the man I hate if you choke when you leave him. Yeah, man. I have enough. I give up for true. We start sleep at night time, but up on TikTok. When me all hear yes ask to do it, I drop. I don't know what to say. I say, yes, do not come in back, darling, okay? Come on, man. Leave me, build a life and get your family. Find your type, man, your type. I am my type. You just to be my husband for the time where you beat. 2 years, 6 months, I will be together 3 years. I'm looking number, I don't tell her that from Jamaica. Say, from Mr. Scan, you could have girl left me so long. And me want you back either. You mad? I'm here. Mash! Yeah. I'm ready now, baby. Yeah, man. See, let's go to the next month. No, if I go to November, I saw a lie, may I tell. Is it, am I correct though? Is it November 1st? Coming next. What the people them not talk to me? Mash, you up on Instagram? Yeah. I want it. I can't even see what comment them. Somebody not talk to me. Yeah, I'm not going on November with this. Yeah. Have the food. My grandparents them can't live my life for me. My parents them can't live my life for me. Okay. If my son, me don't know my son I go through a film life with film woman. And I can't be responsible for that. Everybody pass card them blood clot, but I don't know my son I do not woman. You hear that? I see him difference. Body. Somebody no. Oh, so deal with them. Done. Deal with it. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. Very good. We have nice. Nice match. I love you, Marsh. I love you too, my lady. Come on. A 9, do a 9 too. Right? A 9. Yeah, you see, you align me with a wiper. You see? You see? There's no way. Marsh, listen. I've been sent to every time I speak. I said, Masha, I'm loud, but that's every voice. When you get excited, you override everybody. No way I talk now, man. I just, you can't say J, whatever, Mash. So that's why you annoy me. Yeah, man, I get it. And then I tell you now, Mr. Mash. I look how Mr. Tell this thing, Mr. Mash. Just for little volume panel nice, because me a whisper. But you help me control over them. Oh, by the way, I'm a lie to you, Jay. In my sense, much one time. Leave me alone on one time. I don't know much. How many times do you lie to me? That's what I want to know. How many times I lied to you? Yeah. I lied to Jay one time. You see the whole airport business where Jay and Dewey kick off at the airport. Remember, me no mind people business, you know that, so me no know nothing. Yeah, there's everything. Shut up, man. Jay, me no mind people business. Much, yeah. Come now, Dewey phone me and tell me that home around between 12:30 to 1 o'clock. So me know gauging time they should be there. So me go to the house, you know that. When me go in the house, first thing me look and see in the bed. I see Jay, but I come from downstairs and no, she's not downstairs. Jay, the wife is gonna start piss me off, you know that. Look, I said the wife is gonna piss me off and already push it. Continue, man. You love stretch out things so start. Come now. There's no one. Do we tell me that they had some altercation in the airport whatsoever? I don't know. Me no mind people business. Me no know he tell me. So he tell me to phone Jay and find out. Yes, but when I come, I didn't see the car, so me know that Jay not there. So when I phone Jay no answer. I say, she no answer. But he tell me, don't tell gangster that, you know, him tell me to phone her, you know that. And then Jay phoned me. And Jay said, Mash, I said, lady, where are you? She said, where are you? I said, I'm home. And then we hung up the phone. My house doing? This time I was inside her house, sitting on the chair, and Dewey is inside the bed. And Dewey tell me to lie to the lady, so I lie to the lady. And then do see a man coming from? Not Dewey coming from. I was telling you when he walked in the room, Jay. Remember, I told you when you come, because remember, you phoned me back. Yeah, because I told her, and then she phoned me back 5 minutes later, and I says, Jay, I'm in your house. She never said nothing. When she comes, she went, she lied in the bedroom. Me and Dewey was in there, we went downstairs. Now I left Dewey in the kitchen downstairs, and I come upstairs. So when I come upstairs, me there tell Jay, you know that, me never lie to you, but you know me lie to you, you know that. First thing gangster told me tell me, she told me, say, me know you lie to me, Mash, you know that. Because from your house to my house, I know. What me say to you? Me say you could have reached my house just quick. So I done calculate it because you done like the excitement when I'm created the police, I must do it. When we catch myself and things with him, fake, build up evidence. Remember the police them came, we gonna let me have a twin station and they call me down low. Out parliament and can't do me nothing for that in it. So all my officer made them have an altercation and we go about we business and call the police. And then run come home before me and tell me I should trick me. Continue now, man. Yeah, good. Come. Now do you phone me and them things? Me not take no offense to nothing because father mom, me not know nothing. Oh no, husband and wife, me come up. Let me see. And I tell Jay whatsoever. Jay gone in the bed. Yeah. Me and Dewey gone downstairs, you know that. In the kitchen, you know that. Because I went downstairs to get a glass with Jay come and said, I get a special glass to the lady. You know that. So I went downstairs to get a glass and left him gone outside in the garden, and I gone upstairs. But when I gone upstairs, me come to Jay and tell Jay. I said, Jay, you know me like it. Yeah, that way true. Me not come. That was the time you tell me. I said, me know, man. You turn and say, you know. And when me and you talk, Jay, come in the room. Come in the room. Yeah, but you see, when him come in the room, what do you think happen? Jay, what I do and what you do is I just continue my conversation. And pick by mash, listen. And pick by mash all over, but him say me man have this band. So when them pick by me and mash, but when mash get irritated, I said, mash do not interfere with me and my husband. Tell them mash. Yeah. How much time? Let me tell you something. Yeah. Jay know my madman and them things and them stuff, and Jay cost me for a husband. Every time I get out. In the house, on road, everything. All when a husband had did it, Jay would say, Mash. I said, Jay, you know, me not like. She said, Mash, leave me and my husband alone.
Thank you.
That always,
Thank you, Mash.
she always back him. So you see what Dewey says? The gangster or him wife. No, wait. Yeah, say your piece then.
I'm a piece of man.
Yeah, when I say the gangster, gangster friend them and them things, me want to know who him when gangster is the one I tell me to calm down. That gangster. Gangster could take her husband away from me like vampires get a son, right? In the same car we drive, gangster cost me for husband and said, Mash, leave my husband alone, this, that. Me can't breathe when do it there long. That. And he want to say, so brother, don't take up them argument, them this. And furthermore, I don't know who is listening or whatever, but do we hope someone tell you this?